Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. What's up, YouTube? We're live on Twitch right now. If you haven't already joined Twitch on my live streams, I'll be streaming almost every day. It's on twitch.tv/JREKML. We just played some Mario Kart. It was stressful, but I got my win at least twice. We got LNGSHOT, Never Let Go Visualizer. I've been liking what LNGSHOT's been putting out. Again, if you guys don't already know, this is a more vision group, boy group, like a J-Park's boy group, which is quite interesting to see how this goes. Well, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, this is different. Oh, it's a lot different from their past like stuff that they've been releasing. It's more of like a vibe type of music video, a visualizer. I don't know why that shit hit me. When you never call me. Never call me. Oh, he's so young, though. Talk about it. I can take you anywhere on the right, but you said I'm the only one that you need, but why did you go? Why did you go? I can take you anywhere on the right, but yeah, I'm gonna get a chance. No nigga 항상 priceless. 값 좀 매길 수가 없이 don't get away. 영원하게 바랬나? Timeless, never let go, I never. It's like behind the scenes too, no? Obviously. Take me by my hand, baby, share up on my side. I know you hate me, but I always try. Never let go, I never. All the studio sessions, performance behind the scenes, shoots behind the scenes. Never let go, I never. Never let go, I never. I can take you anywhere on the right, but never let go. You say it's fine, but I know you lying. 마지막 기억을 바래. 아직 난 너의 곁이 맞는 것 같아. Let me go, cause I fly. It's 2 a.m. You and I used to talk until the morning. It's tea and night. I like that vibe right there. Hey. You say I'm the only one that you need, but why did you go? I can take you anywhere on the right, but never let go. You say I'm the only one that you need, but why did you go? Why did you go? I can take you anywhere on the right, but never let go. Hey. Okay, dripped out. LNGSHOT. That was a vibe. That was definitely a different sound from what I've heard so far. So I do enjoy that a lot. Put a comment down below to those who either know about LNGSHOT or first time listening to LNGSHOT. Put a comment down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there and put some hard work to it, it might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.